Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Welcome to Makeup Monday, you guys. Really quickly, I just wanted to say, I don't want to make this intro too long, but I do want to say and just give you guys a cyber hug and muchos besos. I want to thank you guys so much for the endless amount of love and support that you guys showed me in my last video. If you guys haven't seen it, I will have a card that you can click and watch it, but it was just almost like a fresh of breath air after that video was up. So I want to thank you again for loving me and supporting me. With that out of the way, today's video is going to be all about the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe The Volt palette. This is the package that I got. This review is going to be on the Bling Boss palette, which is one of the most colorful palettes on this whole collection. I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look that I have on, as well as I'm going to tell you if I think this palette is worth it. If I experience any patchiness, you guys will see all of that. And just know that I don't get PR packages from Morphe. Morphe, like, hello, doesn't know I exist. I bought this with my own money, and it is totally going to be an unbiased review, just like all my videos. You guys know that I'm always honest and upfront when I like something or not. So with that said, let's jump right into this review, shall we? I'm gonna go in with my first shade, and I am picking up Hush Hush, which is this one right here. It is a very pretty, like, light mauve color. I'm going to pack it on first, and then I'm gonna go back in and blend. To be honest with you guys, I'm not a big fan of colors like this. They tend to get very muddy. They can sometimes look gray, and they're not my favorite color to wear. But because I do want to use this palette alone, I just have to play with the colors here and, you know, see what we can do. That first color is down. It blended really nice. There wasn't a lot of fallouts, and it is very pigmented. It is getting a tiny bit patchy right here, but that's because the way that my eye naturally folds, kind of creating that crease. So now I'm going to go in with my second color. I think I'm going to pick up, I don't know. I'm going to pick up Sparks, which is this nice red, and I'm going to apply it to the inner and outer corners of the eyes. I'm going to go for a halo eye. This is more of a, that is pigmented. This is more of a red with some purple undertones, but it's not like super purple as like this shade or the other ones. I'm going to try and use as many shades as I can to achieve a nice little look. I'm taking a fluffy brush again, and I'm just blending the edges. So far, all of these colors are blending really nicely. I am not seeing any patchiness or any areas where the shadow's not adhering to the colors. So far, so good, you guys. I'm going back into this palette, and I'm going to pick up Rockstar. I want more of a purple look to this versus more of a red. So I'm just going to pack this on. Again, on the inner and outer corners of the eye. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going back into my fluffy brush and blending. Again, the shadows are blending so nicely. I am so happy because I've heard that this palette, out of all of them, is the one that a lot of people are having issues with, because purples can be a very hard color to press and to just have a good pigment to them. Now I'm going to go into Gem, which is this gorgeous, like, royal purple. I'm going to take it on a brush. I already wet my brush because that is the way that I always, holy cannoli, that is pigmented. But this is the way that I always pack on my shadows, regardless of the brand, regardless of how pigmented it is. I always wet my shadows, so it's only fair for me to wet this shadow and use it as I normally would. I'm just packing it on all the way up to the top, just right there. I'm just going to go back to Rockstar, Sparks, and Mystic and blend out the inner and outer corners to create that really nice halo effect. I'm just going to let you guys watch because there's no point in me talking. So I finished off my look. My hair looks a little bit crazy. It's hair washing day, so it's a little like, I don't know what it's doing. It's kind of straight, it's kind of wavy, it's kind of not. Anyway, so I wanted to just give you guys a very quick review, my personal opinion on what I think of this palette. I really like it. From what I can see, I don't see like any patchiness anywhere, and I mean, you guys can see for yourself. Everything blended out so nicely. I would have to say that they are more on the drier side. They're not like a creamy formula, but they're definitely blendable and they are pigmented. Again, I didn't find any issues with patchiness or any colors not working with each other. So for me, I really, really like this palette. I will definitely try and create different looks for you guys, and let me know what other palette you guys want to see next because all of them are so pretty. Let me know if you guys want to see that. So that is it for me and my review. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, as always, honest opinion. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. So make sure you're subscribed. Okay, subscribe. Love you. Mwah. Bye.